The Nilgiris is one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. It spreads across the states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala in the south of India. It's a part of the mighty Western Ghats. The name Nilgiris literally translates to Blue Mountains. The range got this name due to the blooming of the Kurunji flower, which blooms once in 12 years, painting the slopes with different hues of blue. Uttakamand or Udagamandalam is fondly referred to as Ooty, and it has aptly been named the Queen of the Hills. It's one of the most visited hill stations in the south of India. The name Udagamandalam means a house in the mountains. These views are from one of the hundreds of tea estates around Ooty. Even during the harshest summers in the plains, the peaks of not just Ooty but the whole range of the Nilgiris is very pleasant and sometimes even cold. The hues of the Blue Mountains are far from few. The magnificence of the Queen herself, the Queen of the Hills, resting amidst the carpet of green, the green pillows of tea estates. O heavenly Queen, may you always be serene. Sit back and enjoy these beautiful views. Views only enjoyed by the birds otherwise.